Hi everyone, Daniel the Locksmith again from Nocturnal Locksmith. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get into a car. What you're going to need is a standard pump for vehicles that you can get off of Amazon or a locksmith supply store. You're also going to need a reaching rod to get inside. So let's get started. I'm going to insert the pump into the vehicle door. You want to make sure you get a good sliding fit into it. Tighten it up. And we're going to pump gently and carefully to avoid damaging the door. I'm going to insert my rod into the door. And that is how you unlock a door.